Lord Veldora, allow me to congratulate you on your triumphant return.